Hi folks, in this video I'm going to be stopping and starting a lot because I want to show you some different tools and techniques to help you working on this project. Now that you've got settled in and know this stuff pretty well, I'm going to give you some more noodling things to do. So you see I've got this, I'll show you what I'm working on. I've got this lamp that's actually been in my bedroom since I was a kid, and I'm tracing it. And in this corner over here, I keep showing you how to get nice soft curves, how to get the handles just right, pulling and pushing and moving things around. And this is a corner where I actually want the handles to not be creating such a curve. I want it to go in as an in spot. So there's this convert tool. So if I have a point highlighted and I hit the convert tool, it turns it into a curve that goes in the opposite direction. So this can be very helpful. You can make a little bit more shallow and play with the points around the outside to manage that. But this is too sharp a point for this spot right here. So I'm doing Command Z. So another technique that you can use is to just push one of those handles in so you still have the other, and then you can go and modify just much more gently because you still have that one handle in there. And so sometimes that works a little bit better. Okay, so let me just draw, I'm going to draw a curve over here and show you that other tool for a moment. So I've got this lovely curve here and I want it to adjust one of those points. So I've got the point highlighted and I click, and so now it has given me not a straight line because it still does curve. So it's it's not like going straight, curve. It's a little bit different because I still have, because the line will still let me curve it different ways, but it's got a little bit more, I don't even know how to explain it, just watch what I'm doing so you can see what happens with it, okay? So again, you highlight the point you want to adjust, you hit the convert tool, and then you can play with it. And again, if you want to pull out handles, you hit Shift C to get the anchor point tool, okay? So going back over here, let me zoom out a moment. So I've been drawing my circles here, and I drew one circle and then pinched it and copied and pasted and copied and pasted and repeated it and moved it around a little bit. And again, going in here to push in a handle and pull another one out. Okay, so leave that for a moment. I'm going to bring you down.